Today we're taking a look at the MMB. This is compatible with CarPlay. We're going to open this up, show you guys what you guys get. All your accessories are in the bottom here. Cables and your manual. And this is it. So this is a nice sleek design. There's also going to be plastic on the back here, so we'll remove that as well. Overall, nice unit if you guys are looking for something that is compatible. So in here's where you're going to place your TF card, SIM card. SIM goes in here, your TF card goes right in there. Again, I can't emphasize enough on how sleek this is and nice this is. So it doesn't take up much room. You can put this pretty much anywhere in your vehicle. The manual is very thorough, and multi-language. So overall, very nice.